Good afternoon. My name is Erica Bordeaux, and today I'll be reading to you the following directions for oral presentation number 2. Step 1 is to watch the following video as it relates to the topic of ethics and take notes. Focus on the 6 tests used to determine if an ethical decision was made. Use available note sheet. Ethical decision making, ethical text, with the YouTube link below. Read all material you have been given on the case, 3 documents total. Read the grade rubric so you understand how you will be graded. Prepare your notes on what you will say and practice it several times before recording your final oral presentation video. An oral presentation is not you reading your notes. In your oral presentation, you will do the following in order. Step 1. Introduce yourself by giving me your full name and the major you are enrolled in. Next, in your own words, define what ethics means. This should not involve you looking anything up. Just tell me what you define as ethics. It should be short. Third, you will summarize the ethical case about Susan. Fourth, take on the role of her professor and explain to me the outcome you have determined for the situation. Then, fifth, use each of the ethical tests from the video to explain why/how you came to this outcome. Remember, when you are using the test to talk about Susan's ethical action/behavior, you need to be as detailed as possible to prove your case. Proving your case needs to involve facts, not opinions. For example, with the honesty test, tell me how she shows or does not show honesty from what you have been given in these 3 documents. A. Honesty test. B. Legal test. C. Consequence test. D. Consequences test. E. Publicity test. 6. End the video with a thank you and end any other comments. Don't just stop or say that's it. After you've completed the assignment, go back and review the grade rubric to ensure that you have not forgotten anything. Even ask someone else to watch your presentation and grade you by using the rubric. Sometimes having a second pair of eyes helps. Number 6. Submit your oral presentation correctly. Oral presentation number 2 rubric. These are graded by 4 excellent, 3 good, 2 fair, and 1 needs improvement. For delivery, 4 holds attention of entire audience with the use of direct eye contact, seldom looking at notes, speaks with fluctuation in volume and inflection to maintain audience interest and emphasize key points. 3. Consistent use of direct eye contact with audience, but still returns to notes. Speaks with satisfactory variation of volume and inflection. 2. Displays minimal eye contact with audience while reading mostly from the notes. Speaks in uneven volume with little or no inflection. 1. Holds no eye contact with audience, as entire report is reading from notes. Speaks low volume and or monotonous tone, which causes audience to disengage. Content/organization. 4. Demonstrates full knowledge by covering all requirements of the assignment with details and support. Provides clear purpose and subject, prominent examples, facts and/or statistics, supports conclusions/ideas with evidence. 3. Is at ease with answers to all requirements of the assignment. Has somewhat clear purpose and subject, some examples, facts, and or statistics that support the subject, includes some data or evidence that supports conclusions. 2. Is uncomfortable with information and is unable to answer most of the main requirements. Number 5. Indirections. Attempts to define purpose and subject, provides weak examples, facts, and/statistics which do not adequately support the subject. Includes very thin data or evidence. 1. Does not have grasp of information and cannot answer any of the main requirements. Number 5. On directions. Does not clearly define subject and purpose. Provides weak or no support of subject. Enthusiasm/audience awareness. 4. Demonstrates strong enthusiasm about topic during entire presentation. Significantly increases audience understanding and knowledge of topic, convinces an audience to recognize the validity and importance of the subject. 3. Shows some enthusiastic feelings about topic, raises audience understanding and awareness of most points. 2. shows little or mixed feelings about the topic being presented, raises audience understanding and knowledge of some points. 1. Shows no interest in the topic presented. Reasonable person can tell they would rather not do the presentation. Fails to increase audience understanding of knowledge of topic. In your oral presentation, you will do the following in order. Number 1, introduce yourself by giving me your full name and the major you are enrolled in. Yes is 10 points. Next, in your own words, define what ethics mean. Yes is 10 points. Third, you will summarize your ethical case about Susan. Yes is 10 points. Fourth, you will explain to me the outcome you have determined for the situation as if you are her professor. Yes is 10 points. Fifth, use the ethical test. You will explain why/how you came to this outcome. You need to be as detailed as possible to prove your case. Proving your case needs to involve facts, not opinions. Test number 1, honesty test. Yes is 10 points. Test number 2, legal test. Yes is 10 points. Test number 3, consequence test. Yes is 10 points. Test number 4, consequences test. Yes is 10 points. Test number 5, publicity test. Yes is 10 points. End the video with a thank you and any other comments. Don't just stop or say that's it. Yes is 10 points. 5 points will be deducted for the following presentation errors. Number 1, background is busy. You need to find an area where you are in front of a blank wall. Number 2, camera is at eye level. You should not be looking down at the camera. Raise it to your eye level. Number 3, movement is erratic. You should not be sitting or standing where you will be rocking in a chair swaying your body. You need to be still and upright. My expectations for an oral presentation. Please read the following statements. 1, I am expected to not wait until the last minute to do this or any presentation. 2, I am expected to have read all directions and materials given to me for any presentation. 3, I am expected to understand how I am going to be graded on any presentation. 4, I am expected to understand the issues that will result in a 0 on any presentation. 5, I am expected to dress appropriately since this is going to be a video. 6, I am expected to practice several times before I create my final recording. 7, I am expected to present the information in a professional manner. 8, I am expected to review my recording to make sure it is clear visually and auditorily. 9, I am expected to understand how to create and upload any presentation correctly and on time. 10, I am expected to ask for help or ask questions early. Preliminary questions before grading, aka ways to earn an automatic 0. 1, was your presentation uploaded on time? Yes, move to next question. No, automatic 0. 2, was your oral presentation number 2 uploaded correctly as asked in the directions? Yes, move to next question. No, automatic 0. 3, did you use the Stream or YouTube program to create your video? Yes, move to the next question. No, automatic 0. 4, is your oral presentation number 2 complete? Yes, move to next question. No, automatic 0. 5, does your video have both clear audio and clear video? Yes, move to the next question. No, automatic 0. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video and for allowing me to read to you the directions and the rubric and gradebook and everything for oral presentation number 2. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.